How to create a double exposure video effect in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video and an ink clip to my timeline. Pay attention that the ink clip has a white background. You can download such clips from sites like Pexels or Pixabay for free. Right-click on the video and choose Open on Fusion page. Select Media in Node, press Shift+Space, search for Magic Mask, and add it. Draw a line above your subject to select it, then click on the Track Forward and Backward button. After tracking is finished, go back to the Edit page and drag the clip to above track. Go to Effects panel and click on Generators. Drag a solid color below the clip and adjust its duration. Select the solid color, and in the inspector change its color to white. Now drag the ink clip in the third track and adjust its speed if you like. Select it, and in the inspector set composite mode to screen.